How can we deal with shipping issues when dropshipping? Don't let bad dropshipping experiences kill your business. We hear complaints about shipping all the time from dropshippers. For us, shipping can be one of the most time-consuming, energy-draining aspects of running an online business. In today's video, I will go over some shipping tips designed to make your dropshipping experiences easier and your customers happier. Point 1. E-packet delivery. For international shipping, e-packet delivery is one of the most popular shipping methods offered by merchants from China, mainland, and Hong Kong. For good reason, it's one of the fastest delivery options for international shipping with the ability to monitor your e-packet tracking number through China Post. Parcels delivered by e-packet will go China Post postal office and be sent to the mail processing centers. It will be handed to international transport. After the parcel arrives at destination country, it will go through customs. Once the customer releases the parcel, a local courier will pick it up and will be in charge of delivering it to your customer's address. Ensuring part of e-packet that it allows you to track the parcel through the whole shipment with a trackable promise. Customers will be much assured. If you take price plus speed plus the reassurance of receiving a tracking number, which isn't always the case whether shipping method with other shipping methods, e-packet is clearly the best option. How to calculate the e-packet shipping rate? E-packet shipping rate is calculated based on the destination country or territory and package weight. You can check your shipping calculator to get the recent shipping rate of e-packet. We will put it in the description. Point 2. Try DDP shipping. DDP shipping is also known as deliver duty paid shipping. It prevents customers from having to pay a secondary fee when the items arrive. If you are shipping products to different countries or locations, you may want to consider DDP shipping, since most of the buyers will avoid paying tax when shipping overseas. It's important to do your research before you offer this. Though this duty calculator gives you a good idea of duty, you will have to pay for shipping to different countries. Point 3. Contact the suppliers with shipping questions. Whenever there is an issue occur about shipping, you need to reach out to your supplier for help. It's important to make sure your suppliers are capable of solving the shipping issues and give you a feedback in time. Contacting suppliers gives you a chance to personally gauge their responsiveness and reliability. If you ask shipping questions and their reply is slow or unprofessional, that might be a sign that you should ditch that supplier or that they cannot deliver a proper solution regarding the shipping issue. Point 4. Place a test order. Order your own product to experience the shipping process. You don't need to order each variant of each product, but try to order at least one item per supplier to get a feel for how they handle shipping and packaging. This is called a test order. Check details on this video of ours. Why are sample orders important? And what can we gather through a test order? Placing some test orders will give you an up-close look at how suppliers do the shipping and give you a feel that which ones you can trust with your customers' orders. Point 5. Charge flight shipping rates. Customers may be scared away by high logistic costs, especially for international business. If they are suddenly surprised by expensive shipping fees when they arrive at checkout. How you charge your customers for shipping can make or break your chances for a sale. The best solution is to offer free shipping, adding a little extra to the product's price and charge zip for shipping services. If you cannot offer free shipping, using a flat fee for every order shipping is a great way to set expectations for your customers. Flat rate shipping means the price of shipping is not connected to the weight, shape, or size of the shipping item. Hence, the term flat rate is based on how much you can stuff into the box. They will be able to calculate what they can expect to pay straight away. Flight rate shipping ensures you can be upfront and direct as possible with your customers. It also saves some exhausting calculating. Point 6. Choose a shipping company. Now we have talked about some shipping tips for your dropshipping business. How can we choose the right shipping company? There are a lot of options out there like DHL, USPS, etc. Let's talk about the main factors you should consider when selecting the right one. Delivery speed. Of course, it's a very first factor we consider. Not only for its average shipping time, sometimes an overnight service or expedited air freight service for emergencies can be a lifesaver. However, keep in mind that working with the fastest international shipping company comes with additional shipping rates. Well, the cheapest international shipping courier may have favorable rates, but slower speeds. Tracking. Tracking is a key factor to keep your customers assured. Since international shipping takes longer than domestic deliveries, the long wait can turn out into a nightmare of frustration to your buyers. If they are not updated on what's happening on transit, this makes package tracking capabilities a critical factor to consider when deciding on the best international shipping services. Though almost all carriers will provide tracking to avoid conflicts. Shipping rates. To save money for your online business, you need to know and compare the types of rates and discounts offered by various international shipping couriers. Make sure to strike a balance between shipping rates and other factors, as the cheapest options may not have the same speed or customer services as the pricier ones. Shipping rates also vary from different countries. Calculate all elements that will affect your business before deciding this one or this one. Shipping restrictions. Carriers have their own rules regarding shipping restrictions, and they take several forms you will want to consider. Material handling, as not all companies will work with products containing materials considered dangerous. Some are much more strict with liquor. Additionally, there are weight limits and size restrictions. You need to be familiar with the size and weight limits of the shipping companies you are considering working with. Insurance. International shipping is considered a higher risk than domestic shipping. Its nature makes insurance coverage a necessity. What will happen if your package gets lost or damaged in transit? Many shipping companies offer insurance coverage. Compare your options. If the company you choose does not provide one, it's wise to take out of your own policy. Remote area delivery. Your products can be purchased from people all over the world, and all of them are located near big cities. And not all of them are located near big cities. You need to know whether your courier delivers to remote, rural areas to various destinations where you want to ship. You need to know whether the delivery could be affected when they ship to a remote area, and will it affect the package tracking capabilities. You will also need to know upfront whether they will work with a third-party carrier to handle the deliveries in rural areas. Conclusions on shipping. Shipping is one of the biggest challenges that dropshippers have. Dropshippers have to rely on suppliers to process orders and delivery products. That's how the whole thing works, and that could be terrifying. Dropshipping suppliers are not always crystal clear to this, so you need to do your homework about shipping times, put yourself in your customer's shoes, and get a front row seat of how your suppliers handle shipping. Please subscribe if you want to keep updated on our latest videos. Leave a comment down below to let us know which carrier have you worked with. Do you prefer the most reasonable shipping method or fast shipping method? Let us know if you have any other questions. We will answer all of them. Also, please hit the like button. I will see you next time.